Hey there, it's Andrew Murray here, and what I want to do is I'm actually just going to show a little bit about what Firefox add-ons that I install because I just had to have my computer crashed and reformatted and all that good stuff. So what I normally do is I have a couple of add-ons that I think are really important. So let's go do those first, okay? Um, So Firefox add-ons, I'll just do a search for that, and then I'm going to find the add-ons that I like here. And one of them is first what I want to do is get my menu bar in place. So I use LastPass, which is free, and here's how you do that. You just click Add to Firefox and then install it. Okay, it'll be installed after I restart Firefox. Now, if I'm doing a bunch of them, I'll do them at once, like this. Xmarks is really awesome. What Xmarks does is, well, basically LastPass, it saves your passwords for you. Really effective. Actually moved over from uh, uh, RoboForm because I found RoboForm was a little bit buggy, and yeah, so because I use multiple computers, this is really important to me, and Xmark Sync is as well. So we'll restart the computer, or Firefox rather, and get that rolling. Okay. So all right. So LastPass here, we're going to use the default language, and I've actually already got an account, so I'm going to click No Thanks to that, and then I can just sign in here. All right, so when I sign in here, this is the little LastPass icon, and it loads my sites. And if you ever click on this icon, you'll go right to all your sites. Okay, LastPass Vault over here, and you can see all the sites and the ones that I've logged into to recently and that kind of thing. All right, so now that we've got that taken care of, this is Xmarks, and when you install Xmarks, you just want to click there and log in. Okay, and what this does, um, this is really important actually. What this does when I sign in, um, it's going to sync my bookmarks. Okay, and I use bookmarks along the top here actually quite extensively, so I can get to where I need to get to. As an internet marketer, you end up having a lot of different accounts. So I don't like synchronizing open tabs. This would be on multiple computers. If I had tabs open, it would sync between them. So I turn that off, and I don't sync the browser history, and I will just select a profile, um, and basically I just leave the default because I just want to sync all of my bookmarks the same, for all of my computers. But if you had different ones, you could have, one set for work and one set for home. Um, I don't need that. I don't need that, and I don't need that. Now, what I want to do is, because this is a brand new computer install, I want to keep the data on the server, okay, and discard all the data on this computer, right? I really don't have any bookmarks on this at all, so I can keep the data on the server and discard the data on this computer. Yeah. So erase my bookmarks currently on this computer. Perfect. Okay. So now we've got that. And then what I need to do now is just change the options here and show the bookmarks toolbar, okay, which is here, and you can see that I've got all my uh, all my bookmarks here synced, and even the ones that are in folders. And these are all tools that I want to use for my business. Um, the other thing is I sometimes turn on the add-on bar because there are plugins that use that. So let's go back here and add another couple ones. Video download helper. What I use this for is, oftentimes I'll download a video, and then when I play it, I actually play it faster. So I play it at like 1.3 times the normal speed. So that really helps me to do that. And then I'm going to do a couple of, um, well, I have an Amazon S3 account that I use for videos. So I use Amazon S3, and this one you need to accept and install, which is fine. And I use that to drag and drop to my Amazon S3 account. Now I also use Reported. This is a killer one that you definitely need for Gmail. It's awesome. I've done another video on this, so I'll just install that, get that rolling. And then I'm going to do, the other thing that I use a lot is Evernote, okay? And so there's an Evernote web clipper, and this basically adds a when you right click, you can like copy things and then right click, and there'll be a little button that says, add to Evernote, and it clips it to Evernote. So that's a really awesome one that I use a lot. And again, Evernote syncs between PC and Mac, so I can clip this stuff, have it in a central notebook, and then use it when I need to. And the last couple that I need, I'm going to just install a couple of SEO ones. So you can just type SEO and see what the ones are here. SEO Quake's a good one. I'm going to install this one, Foxy SEO. And I'm going to install SEO Doctor, okay? And this is one that it installs in the lower bar here. And it basically just, will tell you what's wrong with your page, what you can improve, that kind of thing. And this one I'm not familiar with, but it's, if it's about keywords, let me see what it does. All right, so you can enter a keyword and it can give you some of the some of the most popular things. So I'll install this, see how I like it, and you can always uninstall them. All right, so that should be good for now. And then what I'm going to do is I will close this and restart Firefox, and it's going to load these different plugins or add-ons rather that I've added. All right. Well, sometimes when you install plugins, it will load, a page that talks about it. This is SEO Doctor. Yeah, and basically it'll show this in the when it's on in the add-on bar down here. Video download helper, and this one had a runtime error on the S3 Fox. It's right here, so I can click in the corner here, and basically what I need to do is enter my secret key, that I get from my Amazon S3 account to use that. So obviously I'm not going to do that on video, but I've installed that tons of times, and it works fine. So those are some add-ons that I think are pretty essential, for someone that wants to do internet marketing. And a lot of them are down here, and they'll add the functionality when you click the little icon here, right? The little W that'll pop up, so you can just get rid of it. And the other one is SEO Quake, and it creates a little one down here as well. So I'll just install this. Because I often use this one, and again, it tucks away in the corner down here, so it doesn't really get in your way. All right, and you can just toggle it on and off. Okay, when it's gray, it's off. When it's colored, it's on. So there you go. Those are some pretty essential plugins for Firefox, and I'll encourage you to really start using them, and really start using Firefox to be a tool to help you get more done in your business. So I hope this video was helpful, and good luck. I enjoy Firefox, and you should too.